Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best IQ option script special for you. And if you not join my Telegram channel, please join my Telegram channel, okay? And if you subscribe my channel, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next video, okay? And if you download the script, link in my description box, simply click and download it, okay? And start binary and forex, no, not forex, this is binary trading, okay? And if you not join best binary option broker account, simply click link in my description box, simply click sign up and start binary trading, okay? So let's start trading with this script, okay?
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just tweak your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.